Today is February 9, Saturday, 2019. February 9th, 2019, Saturday. And we had a blizzard, pretty much snowstorm last night.
Almost 11 years old.
He's almost 11. Stop. And it snowed probably a good 6 to 8 inches overnight. And it's supposed to snow 5 more straight days. And possibly more next week. So it's kind of crazy. There's Jaden.
Watch this. Snowball.
And there's the rat Loki who's playing in the snow. He loves it.
It's stuck.
Uh-huh. Hold on, buddy. I'm filming.
He's making yellow snow. Really?
Come on, Jackson. You want to eat it? It's, how do you pick up pee? What's wrong with you?
It's yellow snow.
Throw yellow snow at me. For what?
Okay, Cameron. Please no fighting.
There's yellow snow. Nice try. Really? No. Also, yes, at the same time. Snowball fight! Might have hit me.
Wait. We're gonna make a fort. You guys want to make a snow fort for snowball fights?
You guys can. Me and Ty are over here. Wait, what happened to me?
Cameron, don't forget, we have a shovel out here. And
Well, does it work still? No. Does it still work?
ooh, nice ramp. A double ramp.
Actually, triple. Wait, did you guys make 3 ramps? That's a horrible idea.
Hey, Tyler, there's some banana flavor snow over there.
Guys, where's the snow cone? Loki made.
Cameron, help!
Oh wait, I'm gonna go see if I can find Loki's snow cone.
No.
Where's this yellow snow at?
Papa, it's stuck. It's stuck to me.
Okay, Mama's coming. I'm filming.
Okay, can you help? Mama, I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
This one's shivering. He's a rat.
He made yellow snow.
He loves it out here. He's just running around like a little kid.
I got it.
Hey, be careful. Oh my God.
I'm right back.
Wait, can you get the dots off and stuff?
Like a rock face, jump like a We're gonna put him in a warm bath.
He pooped and he peed. Kept peeing.
Sticking to him.
I know. He's
It's his fur.
Sticking.
Not in the face, okay, Jada? Only on the body. Okay. Because I know you wouldn't want to get hit in the face.
Come here. Come here. No, stay.
Wow, look who decided to pop out of his cage.
Mama, you want to see him make... I'll show you his yellow...
Wow, I never see you wear that jacket.
Give me a look.
Loki made
Caleb,
yellow
there was another beanie over there.
To get my sunglasses. It's great.
I know, I thought about that. Darn, that's what I forgot. Smart. Caleb, don't walk in with those, please. Nice.
Come on, go. Wanna say hi? You gonna try to say that?
I'm just teasing you, Tyler. You can always come over. You know that.
Oh!
I want that snowball at him.
He looks like a snow doll. He does look like a snow doll. Like on his like feet, he has like snow all over it. Poor dog. He's shaking. I want to make my snow thing bigger.
Mom, Jaden, let's go make a snowman in our yard.
Yeah, Mom, the snow is poor dog. Hey, snowman. There's Cameron. I'm making it bigger.
Oh, I'm gonna grab a shovel and help you out with that. No, no, truth is. Fight, fight, fight.
Jaden, Isaiah, be careful of Loki.
I'm coming, Liam. Hey, Liam. Liam.
Wait, are you eating the
You have a journal for it.
Well, the snow tastes like water. Oh, yeah, I do. I'll figure it out. I used to have a special
He's fine.
Mama!
It's okay. Just go like that.
Dad, I send my gloves.
There, let's do that. It's good. We'll wash your jacket later. A lot of snow.
Can I also wear my gloves?
Yeah, that's fine.